this video, I'm going to show you how to loop a video in CapCut. So this is by far the best method to loop a video. Now all you need to do is go and copy your video by pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard. You can then press Ctrl+V to go and duplicate the clip. Now what we need to do is go and move our playhead to around about 3 seconds before the video ends. You then need to move this second video to the playhead that we've just created. Now make sure you have this top video selected, click on video in the top navigation and then scroll down to blend and click on the drop down arrow. Make sure this is turned on and then reduce the opacity down to 0. You then need to click on the add keyframe button next to opacity. You then need to move your playhead just before this first video ends and then go and increase the opacity all the way to 100. This should automatically create a keyframe. Now move your playhead to about 3 seconds in the very beginning of your video, and then you need to cut the video in half by selecting it and click on the split tool. You can then select this first clip and you need to go and move this to the end of the top layer like so. Now move your playhead to the very beginning of this clip and reduce the opacity all the way down to 0 and click on add keyframe. Now just like before, move your playhead to just before the end and then we're going to increase the opacity back up to 100 and that should automatically create a keyframe. Now you may have noticed that while doing this our clips have now moved in the timeline. So we're just going to fix this by moving this first video back to around 3 seconds before it ends and then move this top one just to the end of this second clip. You then need to go and select all of the clips in your video and we can right click and select create compound clip. You can then press Ctrl+C to copy the video and press Ctrl+V to go and paste it in like so. You can now go and line it up in the timeline and we can basically do this a few times to create a loop of our video. Now once you're finished you can see our videos looping just like this and we can go and press export in the top right hand side. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.